ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Namaste to all. So we were learning the numbers. Okay. So what is this? Mooru. Got it? 5, 7, 9, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, agree, and 9, 10, 7, agree, 5, 3. So you got the numbers. So 1 to 10 you got it. And yesterday we were discussing about the how to get the 11 to 20 also we got it. Today, in a simple way, how we can actually learn all the numbers within maybe 5-10 minutes. It's just a one single sheet. Yes, you will get all the numbers. So we learned till 20, am I right? Yesterday we have learned till 20. How to say 11? Hannondu. Hannondu is actually 11. Agree? So what we did, you take it, add this ಒಂದು ಹನ್ನೊಂದು, take that same ಹನ್ in the prefix, ಹನ್ನೆರಡು, ERA capital D you add it, then take this ಹದಿ for two words, the 13 and 14, ಹದಿ plus 3 13, ಹದಿ plus 4 14. So here for these four things 15 16 17 18, take the prefix as hadin. Okay, then add this 5 6 7 8. What will happen? 15 10 plus 6 16 10 plus 7 17 10 plus 8 18. This you need to change. How? In the 10 take this HATT and then add this 9. 10 plus 9 19. You got it, na? So now 20 is actually 20. 20 is 20. So 30 is 30, 40 is 40, 50 is 50, 60 is 60. Did you observe something? Here 20 ip plus 10 ATTU. Got it? That is 20. But here very easy to remember. You know how? VATTU suffix you remember? Then add the ಮೂವತ್ತು, ನಲ, so it will become ನಲವತ್ತು, add the ವತ್ತು, 50, 50, ಅರ you take and then add the ವತ್ತು, 60. So here we have to change. ಎಪ್ plus 10, ಎಪ್ಪತ್ತು. Remember, 20 and 70 only small difference. IPPATTU is 20, YEPPATTU 70 is the vowel sound we have to change. E vowel sound and A vowel sound. Okay. And what about 80? 80 is 80, 90 is 90, 100 is actually 100. 100. So now we will learn actually here one concept. 20 is actually 20, am I right? 20 is 20. So 20 you know. But how to learn 21, 22, 23? You do one thing. In the 20, what is the last letter? U is there. So remove that U. You take it as A. Add the A. 21. Do the same thing for everything. So take this all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, you know 30. 30. Now I will tell you one more concept you can do. In the 21, 22, you add this A now. If you need, you can even, but better actually if you can take double T. 20 plus 1, add it, avoid this A. 21, 21. So when you cover this, what will happen? 21. Similarly, 22, add, remove all the A, skip it, make it silent. 23, 23, 22, 21. Okay, similarly you do all the things. 24, looks like native speaker. 25, 26, 27 28 29 30. Same thing you need to apply for all the numbers. For example, if 30 is actually, what is this 30? 30, am I right? If 30 is 30, what should we do? Remove this u, apply a, then you write 31, 32, 33, 34. Do the same thing. Similarly, finally what you have to